Hey, if you have any pairing issue with your Soundcore Space Q45, first of all on your device you have to turn off the Bluetooth settings. Next you have to move into your headphones, so grab them like this, and first be sure that you are disconnected from any previously connected devices, and also that you charge your headphones by this USB-C port, for example for like 10 minutes. Then just power off your headphones by holding this power button. Now they are turned off when the indicator is not blinking anymore. So in this step we have to click and hold on this button one more time until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go, right now it is blinking blue. So release this button, click on this switcher to activate the Bluetooth on your phone, take a look for available devices list and select your Soundcore Space Q45. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So tell me if it works for you and please subscribe to my channel, and that's all, bye bye.